Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an affiliate marketing network with Awin, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start your affiliate marketing network with Awin, first, visit the Awin website. Once there, click on the sign up button to create your account. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name and email address. Next, choose a password that is secure yet memorable. After that, review and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. You will then receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Awin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Next, explore the advertisers section to find potential partners. Search for advertisers that align with your niche or interests. When you find suitable advertisers, apply to join their affiliate programs. Each advertiser may have specific approval criteria, so read their requirements carefully. After applying, wait for approval from the advertisers. Once you're approved, you will gain access to their marketing materials. Download banners, product images, and other promotional content provided by the advertisers. Now, create your marketing strategy. Decide on the platforms where you will promote the products, such as a blog, social media, or email. Consider content ideas that can attract your target audience. Incorporate the affiliate links into your content strategically. Use tracking links to monitor your performance. Awin provides tools to help you track clicks and conversions. Regularly analyze which products or strategies generate the most income. Stay engaged with your chosen advertisers. Communicate any issues or suggestions you may have. Lastly, keep learning about the affiliate marketing landscape. Follow industry trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Building a successful affiliate marketing network takes time, so be patient and persistent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.